to a video of me riding my skates. Right now I'm riding them. And be sure to leave a like in the comments below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to comment you back. My cousin's gonna visit visit. What is it? Look what I found. What are those? I don't know. It's loud. Stop it. How cute this dog is. Come on, Cookie. Wait, so where's the bird at? Over there. Your mama bird is all the way up there. We scared it. Let's go. Look, do you see that line? Want to see it? Over there? Yeah, come on, let's go see the baby bird. Do not pause it. Ah, don't touch my feet. Why can't we pause it? Just for a little bit. We watch all day. Baby, the babies are out there! They fell! Oh no! Pick them up! Put them up there! No, don't touch them. No, they have diseases. Yes. That one is dead. No, they can't die. Yes, they can. Yeah, if they fall out the tree, they die. Most of them do. Yeah, he's not moving. He's moving. Come on. Where's the nest? Right here. We'll put him in the nest. Saving baby. Saving a baby bird. Yeah, whatever. A bird. To your nest. Alright, do not mess with the nest anymore. He's asleep. Don't mess with the nest anymore. No, he's asleep. He's asleep. Is he? No, he's dead. No, he's asleep. Don't touch him. He's moving. Yeah, he's moving. What if he's suffocating? You see? Oh. Yeah, he's... Watch out. We're saving another baby bird. Huh? We're saving another baby bird. Okay, I'll put that on YouTube. Yeah.